Ah! Oh my god. Let's unbox my newest Hermes quarter bag from Paris. I just got it in Paris. I'm so excited, you guys. I literally can't believe it. Obligatory lifetime selfie.
Great unbox that I got from France. The Hermes Barenia bag that I got in France just now. Can you believe it?
I can't believe it. I still can't believe it. Oh my god. I feel so lucky and so grateful. I cannot believe I just got this. Oh, there it is, the front. Okay, I'll tell you the story in a second. Wait, first, we gotta close this. I don't want anyone stealing my stuff and stealing it while I sleep. Shh. Okay. Here it is. It smells so good. I can eat it. I can't eat this, but how good is it to smell it? We're gonna smell it. I literally had to bite down on it to contain my screams of excitement. Open the tray out. Here it is. The box is not with me, obviously, because who wants to take that bulky box in? Carry on, it's in my check-in. Okay, so here he is. Here he is. I'm still like, what? How? I also got this, but who cares? Okay, I'll show it to you real quick. It's the little thing that I went to get on Hermes.com, which we talked about. Okay, bye. Who needs that? I don't need that anymore. Because I have this soft, lovely, smelly, happy, yummy, successful mochi. I'm so glad I filmed this because I don't even know how to tell you how to contain my excitement right after it happened. Love the sound of opening it. Okay, I can't eat this, but how good is it to smell it? Literally in heaven. Okay, look, it's a little over the top excitement, but it looks like something else. But I could be as excited about that something else as this, if you know what I mean. Okay, here he is. My newest little munchkin, my 28 Kelly Barenia Fauve leather in the color Fauve. With gold hardware. Gold with gold. So perfect. Everyday bag. Heritage leather. Soft, supple. Smells so good. Tina's shows wear. All of the good things. Hold on, let's unbox it. So, open the Kelly like this. If you don't know, oh, it's so soft, I gotta touch it. Open the little sangles, and then you take off the little thing, and then lift it up. Take that off. Don't eat that. Okay, so there's the blind stamp. Barenia Fauve has a blind stamp, so it's like same color as the leather and just kind of embossed, imprinted, whatever. Most other bags have it in the color of the hardware, so gold, palladium, purple brass, rose gold, whatever. And then here's the inside. It has 2 pockets in the front and 1 in the back. Pocket in the back. Also, the 2 pockets in the front are perfect for both my phones, which I'm so excited about because now I can carry all my stuff in one bag. The mini Kelly cannot carry a phone. It comes with a strap and a lock, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna carry it by the handle mostly, or with my longer strap that I bought. Lock also on Barenia Fauve, strap also on Barenia Fauve. Strap is 85 centimeters, which is a little too short for me. All Kellys come with that standard, but whatever, I don't care. I can't. I'm literally mind blown. I'm mind blown, you guys. I'm so happy. I just can't contain it. Let's kiss it. Let's put it to bed now. Good night, Barenia. We'll see you when we land. Nobody try to take this from me. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna wear it, probably just like that, because closing all the way is annoying. Or I'll leave it open. There's something so sexy and I love about it. Open Kelly. Open Birkin. Birkins obviously, but Kellys too, when they're open. Also, I can wear like this, which I really, really like. Whew, it's hot in here. It's just so good. Oh my god. Let's just give it another whiff. Oh, you guys. Oh my god.